Commission is a fee paid to a salesperson or agent in exchange for his services, either facilitating, supervising, or completing a sale.
The commission may be based on a flat arrangement or as a percentage of the revenue generated by a salesperson. In other words, commission or remuneration is a form of payment to an agent for services rendered.
Street commission. Street commission, also called revenue commission. A commission based on a percentage of sales only. Street commission is profitable if you sell high-ticket products. For example, a revenue-based commission would be more attractive for a salesperson who sells diamonds than the similar plan who sells toys. Revenue commission is paid combined with other terms of compensation.
Straight commission. First, we need to add all the total sales of appliances. Television, 5,000 pesos. Soundbox, 2,500 pesos. And cell phone, 2,000 pesos. Then the answer is 9,500 pesos. To get the commission of the sales, multiply 15% of the rate of commission. But first, we need to convert 15% to decimal value, 0.15. 2,500 pesos times 0.15 is 1,425. So Juliet's commission is 1,425.
Salary plus commission. Salary plus commission is exactly as it sounds, as a person gets paid by a salary and a percent of sales.
Salary plus commission. First in first, to be able to get this gross pay, we should find first the commission. Minus the 260,000 pesos to 150,000 pesos. Then the answer is 110,000 pesos. And that is the sales. Then after that, multiply the sales to the rate of commission. 110,000 pesos times 5%. But we need first to convert it to decimal value and it will become 0.05. 110,000 pesos times 0.05 is equals to 5,500 pesos. And that is his commission. Lastly, to be able to get the gross pay, add the commission to the salary that the company pays to John per week. 5,500 pesos plus 16,000 pesos is equals to 21,500 pesos. So his gross pay is 21,500 pesos.
Graduated commission. One of the incentives given to sales representatives by companies in order to increase the volume of sales is free graduated commission scheme. As the sales volume increases, the rate of commission also increases. Graduated commission. This is when the percent changes based on how much someone sells. Example, Steve works for a company that pays him 1% on the first $5,000 sold, 2% on the next $15 sold, and 3% on all sales over $20,000. What is his gross pay if he sells $25,000? Solution: 5,000 times 0.01 equals $50. 25,000 minus 5,000 equals $20,000. 15,000 times 0.02 equals $300. 20,000 minus 15,000 equals $5,000. 5,000 times 0.3 equals $150. 50 plus 300 plus 150 equals 500.
Computing commission on cash basis and installment basis. The formula in computing commission on cash basis is Net sales times commission rate is equals to commission based on cash. First example is, Mike works at ABC Gadget Store. For every cash purchase of a cell phone, he gets 6.1 commission. In a particular month, he was able to sell 10 cell phones costing 18,000 each. How much was his total commission for such cash sales? Solution. Total sales is equals to 18,000 times 10 cell phones is equals to 180,000. The cash commission is equals to 180,000 times 6.1 or 180,000 times 0.061 is equals to 10,980. Commission on installment basis. Example. At ABC Gadget Store, some items are paid on installment basis through credit cards. Mike was able to sell 10 cell phones costing 18,000 each. Each transaction is payable in 6 months equally divided into 6 equal installments without interest. Mike gets 2% commission on the first month for each of the 10 cell phones. Commission decreases by 0.30% every month thereafter and computed on the outstanding balance of the month. How much commission does Mike receives on the first month, on the second month, on the third month, on the fourth month, on the fifth month, on the sixth month? At the end of the installment period, how much will be his total commission? Solution. First month commission, 18,000 times 10 cell phone times 0.02 is equals to 3,600. Second month commission, 15,000 times 10 cell phones times 0.02 minus 0.003 is equals to 2,550. Third month commission, 12,000 times 10 cell phone times 0.017 minus 0.003 is equals to 1,680. Fourth month commission, 9,000 times 10 cell phone times 0.014 minus 0.003 is equals to 990. Fifth month commission, 6,000 times 10 cell phone times 0.011 minus 0.003 is equals to 480. 6 month commission, 3,000 times 10 cell phone times 0.008 minus 0.003 is equals to 150. 3,600 plus 2,550 plus 1,680 plus 990 plus 480 plus 150 is equals to 9,450. His total commission for 6 months is 9,450.